I know I shouldn't have, but it just looked so tempting.
Fate or fatality, no decision is still a decision.
Yes! Right there! Right there! Touch it! Touch it! Touch it! Right there! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Buy now. Click here. Now on sale. Big savings. Spend more. Buy. 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 Buy.
I love you. Now, go away. I love you. Now,
Make it stop. 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 The beauty of the montage is not what you include, but what you leave out.
what have we done? Oh God! Oh God! Oh God, what have we done?
We could smell the fire, but we couldn't figure out where it was coming from. The fools. They keep fighting as if it will actually make a difference.
Breathing is crap. Mindfulness is crap. Netflix is crap. It's all crap. Give me purpose.